Okay, this is so far what it looks like. Well, kind of way I say, but it's fuzzy though. Try not to get it so fuzzy and trying to get her. Okay, focus. That's what the back look like. The pool area. There you go. Should length into it. Y'all please forget this window because I'm doing it through the window. But that's what it looked like so far. By the mailbox. Damn, they slammed their door so hard and walking hard you can feel it on the glass right here. That's it. So I'm trying to show y'all the front. This is what it looked like out here. Now, I'm not going no further than this, but that's what it looked like. See, Mom? So yeah, I'm gonna close up. So I'm gonna unwanted mosquitoes coming in. This is what it looks like. The door wet. I know the carpet right there sloppy a bit. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye, y'all. Oh, it's something I hear the lightning struck. I don't know what it was, but I'm not here for it. I'm not trying to see what it looks like. Maybe tomorrow if it ain't raining or drizzling or nothing. I'll go see what it looks like outside. Bye, y'all.